The 2026 Ford F150 may look familiar on the outside, but what's hidden inside might surprise you. Ford has quietly added powerful, smart, and little-known features that most owners don't even realize they have. These upgrades can completely change how the truck drives, works, and feels every day. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover features that could make you see the F-150 in a whole new way. Feature number 1. PowerBoost Full Hybrid Engine. The PowerBoost Full Hybrid Engine in the 2026 Ford F-150 is designed to deliver power and efficiency at the same time. Many people think hybrid engines are weak, but this system proves otherwise. It combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to provide strong acceleration, smooth driving, and excellent towing capability. The transition between electric and gas power is automatic and almost impossible to notice while driving. This engine is especially useful for people who drive long distances, tow trailers, or use their truck for work every day. It also helps save fuel over time, reducing running costs. Many owners never fully explore this feature, even though it is one of the most impressive upgrades in the 2026 F-150. Feature number 2. Ford Connectivity Package. The Ford Connectivity Package turns the 2026 F-150 into a fully connected smart vehicle. This feature includes built-in Wi-Fi that allows multiple devices to connect at the same time. It is very useful for families, work crews, or anyone who spends long hours on the road. Drivers can use navigation, stream music, and access online apps without relying on a phone hotspot. Another major benefit is over-the-air updates, which allow Ford to improve the truck's software automatically. Many owners ignore this package at first, but once activated, it adds comfort, convenience, and modern technology that makes everyday driving much easier and more enjoyable. Feature number 3. STX Lobo Performance Package. The STX Lobo Performance Package is designed for drivers who want their F-150 to feel sportier and more aggressive. This package includes special exterior styling, unique wheels, and a suspension tuned for better handling. It gives the truck a bold road presence while still maintaining its full work capability. The improved suspension helps the truck feel more stable on highways and more responsive in city driving. Many buyers overlook this package because it is not heavily advertised, but it adds both style and confidence behind the wheel. For drivers who want a truck that looks strong and feels exciting to drive, this package offers a great balance. Feature number 4. New Appearance Packages. The 2026 Ford F-150 offers several new appearance packages that allow owners to personalize their truck easily. These packages include exclusive paint colors, unique trim designs, and premium exterior details. Drivers can choose a look that feels more rugged, professional, or luxurious based on their personal taste. These upgrades do not change performance, but they greatly improve visual appeal. Many buyers stick with the standard design and never explore these options. However, choosing the right appearance package can help the truck stand out on the road and even improve resale value. It is a simple way to make the F-150 feel more personal and premium. Feature number 5. Advanced Theft Protection. Advanced Theft Protection is one of the most important yet overlooked features of the 2026 Ford F-150. This system allows owners to monitor their truck remotely using a mobile app. If someone attempts to break in or move the vehicle without permission, instant alerts are sent to the owner. In some cases, the truck can even be disabled remotely to prevent theft. This feature is especially helpful for people who park outside or carry expensive tools and equipment. Many owners never activate this system, but once set up, it provides strong security and peace of mind every single day. Feature number 6. Improved Safety Technology. Ford has significantly improved safety technology in the 2026 F-150 to protect both drivers and passengers. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring help reduce accidents and driver fatigue. A 360-degree camera system also makes parking and tight maneuvering much easier, especially in busy areas. These systems work smoothly in the background without distracting the driver. Many owners do not fully explore these safety tools, even though they are designed to make driving more relaxed and controlled. When used properly, these features greatly increase confidence on highways, city roads, and long trips. Feature number 7. BlueCruise Hands-Free Driving. BlueCruise Hands-Free Driving is one of the most advanced technologies available in the 2026 Ford F-150. This system allows the truck to drive itself on approved highways while keeping the vehicle centered in its lane. It automatically controls speed and maintains a safe distance from other vehicles. Drivers must remain alert, but they do not need to keep their hands on the steering wheel. This feature is especially helpful on long highway trips, reducing stress and fatigue. Many owners are unaware that their truck supports BlueCruise, even though it can completely change the long-distance driving experience. Feature number 8, 5G modem connectivity. The 2026 Ford F-150 includes a built-in 5G modem in select trims, offering faster and more reliable internet connectivity. This improves navigation accuracy, music streaming, voice commands, and real-time updates. Faster connectivity also helps the truck stay ready for future software upgrades. As modern vehicles become more digital, this feature makes the F-150 feel advanced and future-ready. Many owners never activate the 5G service and miss out on smoother performance. Once enabled, the system supports connected apps and services that make daily driving more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable. Feature number 9, customizable digital display. The customizable digital display in the 2026 Ford F-150 allows drivers to control what information they see while driving. The screen can show navigation, fuel usage, towing data, safety alerts, or driving modes based on preference. This helps drivers focus on what matters most at any moment. Instead of a fixed layout, the display adapts to different driving needs. Many owners keep the default settings and never explore customization options. With a few simple changes, the display becomes more useful, easier to read, and less distracting, making both short and long drives more comfortable. Feature number 10, Pro Trailer Assist Technology. Pro Trailer Assist technology makes towing much easier in the 2026 Ford F-150. This system helps drivers align and back up trailers using smart steering assistance and cameras. Instead of struggling with steering corrections, the truck guides the trailer smoothly. This feature is very helpful for people who tow boats, campers, or work trailers regularly. Many drivers feel nervous about towing, but this technology removes much of that stress. Despite its usefulness, many owners never learn how to activate it. Once used, it saves time, prevents mistakes, and makes towing feel simple and controlled. Feature number 11, Smart Key Memory Settings. Smart Key Memory Settings allow the 2026 Ford F-150 to remember driver preferences automatically. The system saves seat position, mirror angles, steering wheel height, and climate settings for each key or driver profile. As soon as the truck is unlocked, everything adjusts instantly. This feature is perfect for families or work teams who share the same vehicle. Instead of adjusting settings every time, the truck does it for you. Many owners are unaware of this feature, even though it adds comfort and convenience. Over time, it makes daily driving smoother and more personal. Feature number 12, Hidden Bed Lighting Controls. The hidden bed lighting controls in the 2026 Ford F-150 make nighttime work much easier. In addition to visible bed lights, the truck allows lighting to be controlled from inside the cabin or using the key fob. This is extremely useful when loading or unloading cargo in low light conditions. The lighting is bright enough for work, but designed to reduce eye strain. Many owners never explore these controls and struggle at night unnecessarily. Once discovered, this feature turns the truck into a reliable work tool even after dark. Feature number 13, Intelligent Fuel Usage Display. The Intelligent Fuel Usage Display in the 2026 Ford F-150 helps drivers understand how their driving habits affect fuel consumption. Instead of showing simple numbers, the system explains acceleration, braking, and idling in real time. This allows drivers to improve efficiency without changing routes. Hybrid and eco-focused models benefit the most from this feature. Many owners ignore this screen, but those who use it often see better mileage within days. It is a quiet but powerful tool that helps save fuel, reduce costs, and encourage smoother driving habits. Feature number 14, Built-in Work Surface Details. The built-in work surface in the 2026 Ford F-150 includes small but important details that many people overlook. The fold-out surface features measurement guides, anti-slip textures, and device holders. This makes it ideal for writing notes, using a laptop, or handling quick repairs. It turns the cabin into a mobile workspace for professionals and everyday users. Many drivers use the truck daily without exploring this feature fully. Once used properly, it saves time, improves productivity, and shows how thoughtfully Ford designed the interior for real-world use. Now that you've seen these hidden and powerful features, it's clear that the 2026 Ford F-150 is more than just a tough truck. Many of these upgrades are rarely talked about, yet they make a huge difference in daily use. If even one feature surprised you, imagine what else this truck can do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more insights like these.